new DG3 style. The old style varies by the simple fact that it's missing the down button, so you've just got the 3 buttons to choose from rather than up and down. It's also the one with the serial port on the side, so they work exactly the same. So to enter your destination on most companies and buses, you press the function, which is the red one, which also doubles enter, asks you for the route number you're on. So for this we're going to say we're on the number 11, and you press function to enter that route, and then we can go up and down. That one, your side, your to the left one is the same as going down. It will trigger eventually, but if you want to do it quickly, just press enter and it comes up straight away. Now these lines have a few little tricks. We go back to north and we can do any one we want. For me, I've got 4, 3, 2 should I say, which is alright, bus 1. So these are the same as the Derricks, the older style ones, where you can press function twice and that's for a lock code. The standard lock code is there, and then from here, say you don't know if the signs are working, you can test the signs, so then that will flash. It's an LED, it will scroll information and test the signs. You can see any LEDs that are out and stuff like that. So if you've got a display that's not working but you're confident it's plugged in, you can test it with this function here. And you've got like the configure settings, system, any ports, signs. This is where you can configure it to do certain things if you've got more than one sign, and then back. So that is all that's really to it. To update the Derrick system, you simply, for the USBs anyway, you simply, if you've got a copy of the software, if you're watching this, you just take a USB stick with the thing on in the correct folder, plug it in, device found. Now I do believe this is the right file, if not it's just going to crash the system out. Loads, move it. We've got torrential downpour outside. Well, I'm not out there, it reboots. If you interrupt it in this process, you damage your display. Now, so the little star that you've seen there is indicating it's not talking to a display yet, but it's now talking to it. Could already actually have it in that one, do that. But that is simply it. Nice and simple. Depending on your company, depends on how it's set up. Some have it so you can just scroll through everything. You've got route numbers as suggested, ask you to get it set up this way. And all I can really say, this is in Derrick 3 of the Hanover displays. Thanks for watching, see you again, bye for now.